What is it?
It's a girl pig.
It's a girl pig.
Yeah.
Hey, what do you want to drink?
Color her skin purple.
Do you know where we're going?
We're going to the jungle to see a waterfall with my dad.
Yes.
Dad is going to go to the waterfall too, and my whole family.
We'll have,
The water is gonna be really cold.
I'm gonna go inside too.
You're gonna try and go inside?
Yeah, I'm a really good swimmer. We
Really?
also have to.
Do you know how to swim?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know how to swim. You just kick your legs. If that was really freezing cold, I am freezing cold. You're a little Red Riding Hood.
Ouch. Yeah. Let me see. Oh. Ah. Ah.
I'm
right now, Bubba.
Red Riding Hood.
Look at my pass.
You're a rainbow riding hood.
All the glory will be for us. Fine.
Yeah.
That was the world's ugliest rock skip ever. Hey, Mama, your boys are coming. I think I'm talking.
And like, how long? And me go to back in.